Are you negotiating with your own legs every single morning? One step out of bed and you feel that sharp, stiff, and aching sensation in your knees. Does it take 15 minutes of walking around just to feel normal again? Do not accept this as a normal part of aging. Your knees are not broken. Your joints are actually just starving for natural lubrication. They need the right movement to wake up the internal systems that keep your bones moving smoothly and easily. Most people think knee pain means the joint is worn out and needs rest, but the truth is actually the exact opposite of what you have been told. The more you rest, the thicker your joint fluid becomes. It is like leaving honey in a cold fridge. It gets thick, sticky, and very hard to move. The secret is not intense exercise. It is about activating your natural oil pump before your legs ever have to carry the full weight of your entire body. This is something most people simply do not know. I am going to show you a 2-minute habit that changes everything about how your morning starts today. Do not skip the end of this video because I will reveal a specific protocol that nourishes your cartilage from the inside out while you are still awake. With just 2 minutes of these 3 priming moves, you will feel your knees become light and flexible the moment you finally step onto the bedroom floor. If you do this for 7 days straight, you will forget you ever had to grab the wall just to get to the bathroom in the morning. Later, I will share a 60-second protocol for what your cartilage craves most after a long night of sleep. Yeah, this is the ultimate missing piece for health. Let us start with step 1, which is called the heel slide. Think of this like warming up your car engine before you drive it into traffic. This motion helps thin out the joint fluid that became thick overnight. Lie on your back and slowly slide your heel toward your glutes on the mattress. Then, slowly straighten it back out. Do this rhythmically for about 45 seconds. You're literally lubricating the entire joint socket without any harsh impact or pressure. Here is a pro tip for you. Do not try to pull your heel too close. Only move within a range that feels comfortable and pain-free now. The goal here is movement, not flexibility. We just want to get the oil flowing through the knee before we ask it to support our body weight. Step 2 is about waking up your knee bodyguards, also known as your quadriceps. This muscle acts like a natural brace for your sensitive knee joint. When you sleep, this muscle turns off. If you stand up before it wakes up, your knee joint absorbs all the shock of your weight immediately. Straighten your leg and tighten your thigh muscle to push the back of your knee into the bed. Hold for 5 seconds, then release the tension. Do this for 45 seconds. Pro tip: place a small rolled towel under your knee to help you feel the downward pressure much more effectively as you work. Pay attention, because there is one common mistake people make when standing up that can ruin all this progress. I will show you that very soon. Now, for step 3, seated circles. This is the final step to push that healthy joint fluid into the smallest corners of your knee joint today. You sit on the edge of the bed with your legs hanging freely. Use your big toe to draw small, gentle circles in the air for 30 seconds. This move ensures the fluid covers the entire surface of your cartilage, reducing friction to the absolute minimum before you take your first step of the day. Imagine you are drawing a perfect circle on a piece of invisible paper with your toe. Keep it smooth and keep it steady for the best results. Slide, squeeze, and circle. 2 minutes every morning to trade for a whole day of mobility. It is simple, but it is incredibly powerful for your health. Now for the 60-second bonus protocol. As soon as you stand up, drink a glass of warm water. Your cartilage actually needs hydration to stay slippery. Cartilage has no blood vessels. It gets nutrients through the fluid, and that fluid needs water. Warm water plus movement is the ultimate combo for your joints. Try this tomorrow morning and come back to comment. My knees feel great after 3 days. Like and subscribe for more simple, life-changing health tips today. You're not just getting older, you're learning how to care for yourself better. Have an amazing day on your strong and flexible new legs. Remember that your body is a biological machine that requires specific care. When you give it what it needs, it rewards you with freedom and movement. Every morning is a new opportunity to reset your physical state. Don't let stiffness dictate your mood or your activities for the rest of the day. Consistency is the key to seeing long-term results with these habits. 7 days of these 2 minutes will feel like a complete joint replacement for you. Hydration starts from the moment you wake up. Your joints are like sponges. They need water to stay plump and resilient against the daily heavy loads. The connection between your mind and your joints is stronger than you think. Moving with intention tells your brain that you are ready for action today. The first 60 seconds of your day often determine the next 16 hours. Choose to prime your body instead of forcing it into painful, immediate action. When the knee is lubricated, the hips and ankles also work more efficiently. You're creating a chain reaction of health throughout your entire lower body. Listen to the feedback your body gives you during these movements. If it feels good, you're on the right track to a pain-free life today. Warm water helps to expand the tissues and improves internal circulation. It is a simple tool that costs nothing but provides immense benefits for your health. Movement is medicine. By using these 2 minutes, you're self-prescribing the best treatment available for morning stiffness and joint discomfort in the knees now. Your cartilage is a living tissue that responds to the environment you create for it. Give it movement and water, and it will serve you well. Do not rush through these steps. The quality of the movement is far more important than how many times you can do it in a minute. Think of your morning routine as a ritual of self-love. You're taking the time to ensure your vehicle is ready for the long journey ahead. Imagine a life where you never dread that first step out of bed. That life is only 2 minutes away from where you are right now. You have the power to change how you feel. On Start Tomorrow, stay consistent and watch as your body transforms its response to the early morning. Healthy knees are the foundation of an active lifestyle. Whether you want to hike mountains or just walk the dog, it all starts right here. Small inputs lead to massive outputs. Just as 1 drop of oil fixes a squeaky door, these small movements fix your morning knee pain forever today. Connect your breath to your movement. Inhale as you bring your heel in. Exhale as you push it away. This calms your nervous system and joints. Feel the texture of the bed beneath you. Being mindful of the sensation helps you control the movement and avoid any sudden or painful jerking motions. When you squeeze that quad muscle, you are sending a signal to your brain that the knee is protected. It is like putting on a seatbelt. Efficiency is key. We are all busy, but everyone has 2 minutes to spare for a day free of pain and full of productive, happy movement. Open the door to a new way of living. No more limping to the kitchen. No more waiting for your body to catch up with you. The warmth from the water radiates through your body, assisting the internal lubrication process we started with our movements on the bed just a moment ago. Balance and stability return when the knee joint is healthy. You will find yourself moving with more grace and less fear of falling or tripping. Symmetry in movement is vital. Make sure you perform these steps on both legs equally to ensure your entire foundation is balanced and ready to go. Your first steps are the most important. With this routine, they will be steps of strength rather than steps of hesitation and discomfort in your knees. Now you're literally changing the chemistry of your joints every morning. Movement triggers repair signals that keep your cartilage healthy and resilient for many years. When you feel good physically, it shows on your face. You will start your day with a positive mindset instead of a focus on your pain. Like a flower opening to the sun, your joints need a gentle invitation to move. Don't force them. Guide them into the day with kindness. Freedom of movement is a gift you give yourself. These 2 minutes are the investment that pays dividends in every single step you take today. Notice how the seated circles engage not just the knee, but also the calf and ankle. This holistic approach ensures your entire leg is ready. The human body is an amazing machine, or treat it with the respect it deserves by spending these few moments on maintenance every single morning of your life. Join the community of people who have reclaimed their mornings. You're not alone in this journey toward better joint health and a better life. Fuel your body right. Movement, hydration, and nutrition work together to build a version of you that is stronger and more flexible than ever before. Reach for your goals without the anchor of pain holding you back. Your knees are the pivots of your life. Keep them moving and healthy. Remember the towel trick. It is a small detail that makes a huge difference in how effectively you can activate those vital quad muscles each morning. Keep up with the pace of life. Do not let joint stiffness slow you down or keep you on the sidelines of your own wonderful story. Waking up should be a joy, not a chore. By planning these 2 minutes, you give yourself something positive to do as soon as you open eyes. You might be surprised at what you can do after just 1 week. Things that used to hurt will start to feel natural and easy again. A pain-free morning leads to a peaceful evening. When you aren't fighting your body all day, you have more energy for the things you love. Look closely at the heel slide again. Notice the slow, controlled pace. There is no need for speed. Focus on the sensation of the joint moving. Science shows that movement is the only way to get this fluid where it needs to go. Your body is designed to move, so use it. Forget about your knees. That is the goal. When they are healthy, you don't even think about them. You just live your life to the fullest. I'd add a bit of lemon to your warm water if you like. It makes the morning ritual even more pleasant and adds a boost of vitamin C. Strength starts from the ground up. By taking care of your knees, you're supporting your entire skeletal structure for the long term of your life. Direct your energy toward positive habits. These 2 minutes are your compass for a day that is headed in the right direction for your body. Flexibility in the joints leads to flexibility in life. When you can move easily, you're more open to new experiences and daily adventures today. Connect with nature. Walking on different surfaces is great for your joints, but it all starts with that first pain-free step out of your bed. Your heart pumps blood, but your muscles pump joint fluid. You're the engine that keeps your joints running smoothly through purposeful and daily movement. 7 days to a new you. It is a small commitment with a massive payoff. Mark your progress and celebrate the small wins every single morning. Write down how you feel. Noticing the reduction in pain will motivate you to keep going and make this habit a permanent part of life. Take a stand for your health. Literally. Stand up without pain and look forward to the day with a sense of excitement and physical capability now. Every second counts. Don't waste your morning minutes in pain. Invest them in these 3 simple moves and reap the benefits for the next 16 hours. Be present for those you love. When you aren't focused on your own pain, you can give more of yourself to the people who matter most. Keep the flame of health alive. Small, daily actions are the fuel that keeps you moving, and prevents the rust of inactivity from taking over. One last look at the quad set. Squeeze hard, hold it, and feel the power in your thigh. This is your knee's best friend and protector. Map out a pain-free day, from the bed to the kitchen, to the car, and beyond. Your joints will thank you for the head start you gave. Life is meant to be experienced in motion. Don't let stiff joints keep you from the beauty and adventure that is waiting for you outside. Breathe in the health. Breathe out the pain. You're in control of your physical state, and you have the tools to make it better. From the quiet of the night to the activity of the day, make the transition smooth. Your knees deserve a gentle wake-up call every single morning. Believe in your body's ability to heal and adapt. You are more resilient than you think, and these 2 minutes are proof of your commitment. Grow into your new routine. Like a seed, it starts small, but with daily care, it will become a strong foundation for your entire life's health. The view is better from the top, and your knees will get you there. Take care of them, and they will take you anywhere you want. Get ready to play. Whether it is sports or just playing with your grandkids, these 2 minutes ensure you're always ready for the fun parts. Flow like a river. Avoid the stagnation that leads to pain. Keep the movement constant and gentle, and your joints will remain clear and healthy. Mindfulness in movement is a powerful tool. Pay attention to how your knees feel as they wake up, and respond to them with care and love. Bounce back from the pain. Your knees are designed to be your springs. Keep them well oiled, and they will keep you light on your feet today. Soak up the health. You've earned it by taking those 2 minutes for yourself. This is your time to shine and move with complete freedom now. The ripple effect of health is real. When your knees feel better, your mood improves, your energy increases, and your whole day becomes much more positive. Walk into your future with confidence. No more looking back at the pain. You have the secret now, so use it every single day of life. You can do this. It is only 2 minutes. It is the easiest and most effective thing you will do for your health all year long today. Cycle through life with ease. Keep the gears of your body moving smoothly, and you will be able to go further than you ever imagined before. When time is your most valuable asset. Spend 2 minutes now to save hours of discomfort later. It is the best trade you will ever make for health. Understand the map of your own body. Follow the path of movement and hydration, and you will always find your way back to perfect health and comfort. The circles are the finishing touch. They ensure every part of the joint is ready for the day's load. Do them with grace and with focus. Slide, squeeze, and circle. It's that easy. Remember these 3 steps and make them your morning ritual for a life that is free from knee pain. And don't forget your water. Hydration is the fuel for your joint's lubrication system. Keep it topped up for the best results throughout your whole day. The world is waiting for you. Step into it with strength and with joy. Your knees are ready for the journey. And so are you today. Thank you for joining me. If this helped you, please share it with someone you love who might be struggling with morning stiffness and knee pain too. Be part of the movement. Don't let your body hold you back from the rhythm of the city and the energy of a brand new morning. Dance like nobody's watching and walk like you've never felt better. Your body is a gift. Enjoy every second of its amazing movement and its strength. The power is in your hands and your legs. Start tomorrow, stay consistent, and reclaim your mornings once and for all. You deserve to feel great. You're not just growing older, you're learning how to care for yourself better. Have an amazing, pain-free day on your own two strong legs now.